In this video, I'll be showing you how you create notes on Viber. So mostly you see notes on top here, you see the notes on top here, you see the arrow there, or if you don't find it, move to your more here, scroll to the top and you see note here, just tap on that and start using it. It's simple and easy. So now let me show you guys how you set up notes and the rest. So this is a new one you can see. So let's say I want to say I'll make videos, so let me do it. Video making. To set a reminder, I just long press on the message here and you see set a timer, just tap on that there and you can see today is December 8th. So let me make it let me make the time around 2 p.m. today because it's already 11:46 o'clock p.m. like that. Good. And then do not repeat, or if you want it to be repeated every day, you can choose daily, weekly and monthly. Do not repeat and save. And now I'm going to get a notification on my mobile phone. So that's it on how you use the notes option on Viber and also how you set up a reminder after that. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.